Hey guys, there we go. Sorry about that. My internet just literally went down. Don't know what to do about that one, but that shit just shit the bed. Sorry about that. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do, focus on US 30 here. Okay, you can see that there. Hey guys, sorry about that. What happened was my internet randomly just shut off. My whole internet had it just went down. My phone internet went off, and then my house actually had like a power outage. So I think that's why they were. They're probably doing some work around here, guys. So let's get back to the 5 minute. You can see 5 minute support forming. The chart's didn't erase though, so we're good to go. All right. Cuckoo. All right, let's go back to gold, guys. I think gold did dump. All right. Yeah, gold dumped back down. Okay. Could have had that. Okay, cool. So you see how we tapped right there? Gold dump. We'll wait for the next big move here, guys. All right. So you can see price did not make any move above there. We're kind of getting a little bit of demand area trying to form right now. Okay. So let's watch and see how this is going to play out. There we go. So leave that alone. Okay. All right, guys. Now we're going to see if price is going to break above here. You can see that it's now showing a little bit of divergence here. Price dropped. Price is starting to make a little bit of movement, bullish momentum there. Coming back to 1907. All right. So let's watch and see. Now we're forming an engulfing candlestick on gold, guys. This thing looks pretty promising so far. Let's check it out on with the 9. Okay. Throw in the 202. So guys, we're not looking for any kind of buying opportunities until this thing starts to break above here. All right. Until this thing starts to break above here. Let's watch. Put a little resistance area. Okay, good. Okay, so if we do break this area, guys, because gold is in a steady downtrend, the short would be below the daily support. Okay, daily support right over here. This is a rough general area at around 1905.14. Okay, so let's watch and see here. If we don't break below there, guys, price is just going to keep continuing to the upside here, which we can look to catch the buy breaking above the 9 EMA. All right, I can see a double rejection right here. Okay, right above the hourly. So let's watch and see here. I'm going to start marking some price flags on here, just at key supports. I got my daily here. Okay, got some nice 5 minute that was holding support there, broke right through. I like my hourly. Okay, and I got one more at the 5. Okay, and then maybe we'll gather one down here just so you guys can see. All right, so we're pretty set up on gold right now. Like I said, this 9 coming into about 8 o'clock here is looking pretty good. All right, don't wait for the don't enter in anything like 5 minutes beforehand or 5 minutes after. Let the candles do its thing. It just gives us some preparation to see what maybe the bigger moves are in that hourly candle. Okay, so let's go check out US 30. Okay, you can see the choppiness of US 30 as well. All right, right here 720. Okay, had the big push, right, and then like I said, that hourly and the 4 hours holding very, very strong, guys. Okay, so let's watch. If we're going to continue, guys, you can see we're starting to break. Okay, a little bit of an uptrend there. You have another trend right here starting to form. Okay, but you can see we're slowly starting to close and shoot to the downside on this. Okay, that's 757 too, remember? So still a lot of time here. If we're going to come back down, guys, we have to break this level of support. Okay, and then we're going to see if it's going to have a follow through. Okay, so just have some patience here. Gold is still getting below that rejection 9 EMA here. All right, so we know we're going to come down here, retest, and then we're going to get our continuation. All right, let's draw some key levels of price here. We have the 15-minute. Okay, you have the 5-minute. Hourly here, looking good. I'm going to gather my 4-hour here, which is the key level. Too many Joshes in the group, guys. Okay. So US 30, guys, showing nice clear downtrend movement here, breaking the 33533. Okay. Starting to curl in the 9, but like I said, the time about a minute and almost 30 seconds left. Zidane, no, bro. That was my Wi-Fi here on this one. The whole thing just shut. All right, so let's watch. Let's go check out Goldilocks here again. Okay, so nothing breaking below the daily. Still holding below that 9, looking nice so far. Potential reverse head and shoulder on the dirty. Yeah, we'll take a look at it after the 8 a.m., the new hourly. I like Nasdaq more in the morning, guys, but you guys wanted the dirty, we can do the dirty. Okay, coming into about 20 seconds, guys, and then we got the new hourly candle opening, which will be your 8 a.m. candle. Okay. Okay, new hourly candle. See, I'm saying this is why you wait. All right. Just open and it initially dumped right off. Okay, now they're retesting it, that 5-minute. Okay, previous candlesticks right here. See, now the buyers starting to come in, but they initially opened it up bearish. Why? Because they're still continuing that overall downtrend. So that's what I mean. You don't really want to buy or sell anything into the leading into the last 5 minutes and then the first 5 minutes of the new hourly. Okay, so let's go check out maybe US 30, see what's going on there. Okay, it's still slowly starting to sell off from this period, guys. Okay, let's take a look at where we are. We're right near that 50 mark. Okay, so as soon as we break here, guys, if we break that 50, all right, you're still going to start to see this thing flush at least down to the 15-minute. All right. News coming up. It's a good question. Let's check it out here. We didn't really go over it just before the internet shut off, so let's go take a look. Scroll through here, guys. You can see there's not much news today. It's a slower day. You know, the best news was 4 a.m. Okay, so the DAX would have been really good. EU and GU this morning would have been pretty good for London. Okay, then you have some 11 a.m. Canadian news. All right, and that's really all we got for today. Okay, so nothing too much in terms of USD or anything like that. So just a basic, you know, not many folders for today. Okay, pretty straightforward. Not much else to explain it. Okay, so you have a nice little uptrend here, guys. When it starts to break, okay, you're going to start to see this thing dump back down. So if US 30 wants to continue to the downside, guys, looking for maybe a quick short down here, which will break the 50 line. Okay, we already have nice momentum here, but we're not entering in until we see what's happening on this uptrend and with this overall 9 EMA. Both indices are choppy right now, guys. Both industries are choppy. So Okay, let's watch very slowly here, guys. Financial Juice can help you on that one. Okay, Johnny. No problem. We also have one on our website too. I don't know if you check that out. The earnings reports. We have one on our site, so if you want to check that out, it's on TradingView. It's for the stocks. Okay, you can see we have a full list of our earnings report on the site. Okay. Okay, so gold is looking pretty bullish right now. Let's take a peek. Okay, it's starting to form maybe a double bottom here. Okay, so if we start to break above this general area, guys, you know, anywhere around here, look for a nice opportunity. I'm looking at this wick right here, guys. Okay, this is the 1911, starting to break right through. Okay, so let's watch and see. We need to get a close above here. I'll show you the estimate general area 1909. Okay. Dodge is pumping. Oh man, not really gonna look at Dogecoin, but thanks for the update. Hopefully it pumps to the moon. Okay, so let's watch and see. 8 o'clock. So there's the new candle open, guys. You can see it gapped up above 1909. Okay, here's the retest. If it doesn't hold here, guys, just wait. We're going to watch on the 9 moving average. Okay, let's take a peek at quickly US 30 here. It's not really dropping below. Okay, you can see it just tapped and it held above that line. So nothing for any kind of selling opportunities here. It's kind of just a little bit of a head fake, but it's starting to break below. So let's watch and see how this is going to start to make some moves. All right, you're getting a 5-minute resistance. This would now be support, will be resistance. I'm not going to update this all the time, but just showing you guys that when you start to break levels, they turn from resistance to support, support to resistance. Okay. Rayan, not Shahab, but Ibrahim, I saw you message again. You need to disconnect your Discord and then reconnect it when you have it open. Okay, your account is good. Ibrahim put it on there in the last before we shut off. So just be aware to make sure to disconnect your current Discord and reconnect it when you're connecting to the site. Okay, I'm not answering any more website questions, guys. We're live trading. Send us an email. Like I said, we'll get you fixed up. Okay. So a little bit of choppiness right now. Okay, now guys, you're coming into that next, next 5-minute candle, 8:05. Now you're looking at 8:10. Sorry, 8:06, leading into 8:10. All right. It's going to be, a little bit of slow session, I think, today, judging by the market movement so far. I can see both on US 30 and gold. Okay, that you're getting a little bit of breaks in terms of support and resistance. All right, but again, are you getting any of these follow throughs here? So let's go take a peek at gold. We might check out maybe GU or something like that. So you can see they got nice resistance here. Okay, price tried to push up, rejected. Okay, so there's no confirmed entry. Still looking pretty good in terms of a nice little uptrend here. All right, but we got to watch and see how price is going to start to fluctuate. All right. Let's take a peek maybe at, I want to see oil here. Oil is looking like it's making some nice moves. Maybe we'll look at GU here, guys. I'm looking at oil to make a nice little push to the upside here as well. Okay, oil looks pretty promising. It was nice oversold, maybe turning to some overbuys here. So Just watch oil as well. I'm not going to chart it, but just take a peek on it. I want to see GU. We already made a nice little move, missed a nice little move on GU. Okay. I don't want to be fumbling around too much. We're going to stick with our normals, guys. We'll make use of what we got here. All right. So you can see US 30 found nice support level. Nothing broke below. Okay, nothing broke below or even confirmed. We held that nice little uptrend here. So now we're going to see as price is going to have a nice little push, right? Start to break above here. Then we're going to test that hourly 4-hour area higher time frame, looking at maybe getting to the 200. Okay. So let's watch and see. Always look for 5-minute uptrends, guys. Okay, you can see nice 5-minute trend here. They're holding, bouncing, bounce here, bounce here. Okay, pressure's still pretty strong in terms of sellers. We all understand that. All right, nice resistance coming in, but again, eventually the buyers will take some control. Okay, remember I told you the time 8:08. You know, leading into that new 8:10 candle here is when you generally want to look for some kind of trading opportunities. Let's take a peek on gold too. Okay, so gold got heavy resistance here, starting to break down, still following the trend. Okay, so pushed up, wick down, and then continued. So no real entry yet on gold. Okay, starting to now break that short-term uptrend here. We're right in that consolidation box, guys. Remember how we had the consolidation up here? Okay, the same kind of move is following suit down here. Okay, so it looks like gold maybe want to test the daily at the bottom. All right. Maybe want to test the daily and see if we're going to break from 1905 maybe down to maybe 1900 today. That could be a really interesting move. Okay. You know, we were so close to pumping like a big all-time highs, and then they drop it right back down. So you can see now coming closer and closer to that daily support. All right. So this is also an engulfing candlestick, guys. Just wanted to show you that it closed engulfing. Okay, so that's a nice key thing to remember as well. All right. So a lot of head fakes. Okay, in and out, indecision right now. Okay, let's just take a peek at the DXY. Always good, guys, when you're checking. Let's take a look at the DXY on the daily here. Okay, so we're hovering right at 101.47 area. Okay, 101.47. So we'll take a look at it on the 15. Nice potential M pattern here forming. Okay, double top. So if if the DXY does tend to break here, you can see it already attempted. Right, she's coming back down to at least this general area right here. Okay. If not, they're going to hold support and bounce and walk back to the upside. But again, it looks pretty promising here. But again, anything can happen. So let's go check gold on the daily. Okay, I think gold is testing daily lows here. There we go, right down to 5. Okay, so you can see, guys, we're testing the daily. This thing dumps here. She's looking at a nice break to the downside. Okay, but just watch. It's about 3 minutes. Okay, I'm not entering in anything just yet. I want to see a little bit more coming to like the you can see right now, guys, it's 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, I want to see a little bit maybe at the minute. Okay, so when we get to the minute time frame right under here, all right, that's what I'm waiting for any kind of entry on gold. And the reason why I'm being more cautious than not today is just because of how choppy it is. Okay, I do see nice engulfing candlestick pattern here. I do see we broke a nice little 5-minute uptrend. Okay, so I do see that there's a lot of confirmations here that'll give you for a possible sell. You can still see that we're below, all right, but again, to break a daily support, it's going to take a little bit more momentum than just your average than just your average overall, I guess you could say, trade entry. So I'm not really looking to, like I said, until then, because there is, like I said, my man Ian just spotted out divergence. Okay, if you saw that right down here, it's on the 5 minute, but you got to see what it looks like on the 15 as well. Okay, you can see the 15 is not really showing much divergence. It's still kind of following the overall trend here. Okay, we pushed up and then it got wicked down. Chris, okay, I can tell you're struggling connecting Discord to the group. Okay, send us an email, dude. Okay, you want some real help? The admins did explain it to you correctly. Okay, and the other members did get in the same way, but obviously we need to help everyone individually. So get in touch right here, my man. Send us an email. We'll get you hooked up. Okay, Chris, I'm just telling you that everything the admins told you to do is the way to connect. Okay, so guys, US 30 is looking like it's selling off too. Gold is starting to dump. Okay. There's the daily dump, guys. Carlos, he was talking about the 5 minute dump. Okay, sorry, 5 minute divergence. On the 15, it didn't really have much divergence spotted. Okay, so it just kind of had the downtrend. So, and guys, watch your spreads too. All right, spreads are going to be high right now, especially if on gold, especially because you're right near the daily support, guys. And we do break that, they are going to notice that and then jack up your spreads. Okay, so you can see now that gold dumped, starting to hold below. They retested it a bit. You guys can secure when you want. The 1904 mark, just somebody erase that so you can start to see here. Got a bottom wick, looking like it could be filled. All right. They're still continuing on this sell, guys. US 32 having a nice opportunity right here. Guys, I'm running about 6 pips on this gold trade. Okay, on the sell. Hopefully you guys got this. Okay, let's go quickly check out US 30 here too. Okay, so US 30 push back down. US 30's chop right now, guys. Wow. Okay, so we'll watch here. You can see they're buying a little bit of buying power here, guys. So take secure when you can. All right, you can see they're now trying to pick it up. They're probably trying to retest the daily support, which is now going to act as resistance. Okay. Indices are choppy today, guys. It's very obvious. Okay, so they're picking up a little bit of buying volume here. Ian, I wouldn't get into gold right now. No, wait until you get a little bit more of a retest. Okay, so remember, guys, this dump happened in the last minute of the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so same thing. We still got about 2 minutes and 50 seconds right here. Let's watch until we see we get to the minute. All right. US 30 is looking like it's selling off, guys. Same with gold. So the correlation, not very strong today. All right. Overall target is right here, 1902. Okay, which is generally price range. You can see from this area to this area, about 20 pips. Okay. Let's go check out the dirty for 1 second here. She's still selling off. I don't want to leave. I want to see gold too. Guys, if gold breaks this 1902, okay, she can come back down that 1901. Okay, I think they're going to maybe push this to 1900. Okay, I don't think it's going to happen all very quick. It could, all right, but I think you might get a little bit of a pullback. Okay, but if we start to break that 1902, you can see on the 5-minute they're showing a little bit of bullish support. Okay, but again, the overall trend is bearish. All right. So we start to break here, guys. Look, I'm looking for this thing to come back down. Okay. 1901. Make sure you're, guys, check your spreads before you're trading this. Okay. Check your spreads before you're trading this. If we don't break here and we find that support, I can see the next candle opening up here, going bullish, and maybe retesting. So let's just watch and see how this candle closes. Okay, just got that pierced. Okay, we just pierced through this now. Let's see if we're going to get the continuation. All right. There's the dump, guys. Did anyone get that? There we go. Good. Okay, guys, I'm running on that. I did a okay, secure, guys, secure, okay? Okay, just to show you guys, look at the webcam running in blue here. I took a screenshot. I'm going to post this. Okay, so the thing dropped even further, guys. Okay, it dropped 40 plus pips. All right. So remember, I told you guys they gapped it down here too. They're selling this thing off huge, guys. Maris, how often do we read emails or the admins? It's generally every few hours. Okay, but you got to remember we get influxes of emails. It's you guys know how many people want to partner with us. I'll be honest with you guys here. We get 10 to 12 emails a day of these people wanting to, use their broker, use this, use that, guys. It's no joke. Okay. And our admin team, it takes time to answer all these. So guys, look at gold here. This thing is dunzo. Whew. Guys, gold is done. Guys, you can check the free FX group. I'm going to post the one trade just took. Okay, chart's a little messy. But she's done, guys. Gold is done. Oh my god. Remember I told you 1900? Blew right through that, guys. And it all started with the daily dump here. All right. She is gone, guys. Like, I don't even look at US 30. This is nuts. Guys, look at the trade here. 905. Let's see where the bottom wick is. 1895. This is a 100 pip sell right here. That's 100 pips from that move to that move. Let's drop it down so you guys can see. There you go. Okay, big sell-off. And guys, why that happened, all right, you can see the M pattern here. Okay, top, top, okay, support, which is the neckline, and then you get the neckline dump. It all started because this bearish engulfing candlestick. Okay, all started because this bearish engulfing candlestick right here led to the sell pressure, and then once it broke the daily, the momentum continued, and then when you broke that 1902 area, guys, this thing just opened up and it just done. This thing is going to continue to drop, guys. I believe this thing's dropping to at least maybe 1892 general area down here. Okay, we'll watch and see. It's not going to maybe happen that fast. Okay, maybe it's not going to happen that fast, but you know, we'll watch and see. Okay, one sec here. Okay, so let's watch and see here, guys. I'm going to check out US 30 for 1 second. Okay, nice bullish momentum they have pushing here. Okay. Nothing really broke below down here, guys. Okay, so you can see that on the dirty 30, nothing really broke. Okay, it was an opportunity there, but it wasn't really taken. Okay, nothing really broke below, so let's watch and see here. We're still getting that nice little uptrend forming. All right, it's really choppy right now, guys. Really choppy. Okay, so let's take a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq getting a little bit of a push too, very similar. Okay, to US 30. So let's monitor this accordingly. Give some love. The US, the gold, like I said, it kind of made its move here. So let's just watch and see maybe the next couple minutes on US 30 here. I believe that if gold is dumping, guys, we'll watch and see US 30 here. If any kind of movement to push, like I said, look at the resistance that you have to the overall potential target here. Okay, so even if we're pushing to the upside here, we're getting a heavy base resistance. Okay. Okay, so we'll just make that red so you guys don't get confused. Okay, gold is still dumping, guys. Gold is still dumping here. This thing is, oof. Guys, watch your spreads too. Watch your spreads here. All right. Let's go take a peek at gold too. Wow, still selling off, guys. Look at this. Okay, so they broke. Now they're retesting here. Okay, let's go check out US 30. 1 second here. Let's just focus on what's going on with gold. I want to see if the 1892 is going to get smashed. Okay, if gold still sells off to 1892, guys, and the reason I'm looking at 1892 is just the bottom right near the demand. Okay, so let's just watch and monitor this, and then we'll go back and check out US. US 30 is really choppy right now. Okay, I'm not liking the way it's trading. I like gold more. Okay, you can see by the massive dumps that we're having. All right. Okay, look for the pullback here. Nothing happened yet. We haven't got a single pullback yet. Okay, we've had the last 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Okay, the last 20 minutes have been sell pressure here. Okay, so we're going to get some kind of a pullback. All right, let's watch and see here. 40 seconds. 40 seconds here. Okay, so here, remember I talked about the buyers coming in, guys. All right. So 18 seconds here. Watch your dead cat bounce. Okay. Watch your dead cat bounce. Okay. So the new trade, guys, they're opening it up. Okay, you can see they're starting to push. Let's take a look at US 30 here. Okay, trying to push it up. Members, you guys should be running. All right, there you go. Boom, guys. Let's go. Secure when you're happy, guys. Secure when you're happy on this one. Okay, guys on YouTube, I told members look for a short-term quick US 30 buy here. Okay, this is the trade. Literally, I said if it breaks here, the overall resistance is the target 4-hour. Okay, that was the trade. They've already hit. There's about I think 8 or 10 people that started hitting some W's there. Okay, so I do see some resistance starting to form. All right, so let's watch and see how this is going to go. Again, remember, we're not looking for crazy pushes, guys. We might just get impulse candles here. All right, so just remember that. That's why I said watch your spreads. Make sure you understand spreads can be high. Okay, you see what I'm saying? We didn't even get a nice push even to the 4-hour. So let's just watch and see here. Okay, the overall target, if we get past all these wicks to the left, will be the 4-hour. All right. Okay, so we'll go back. Let's take a peek on gold here. Just monitor this, guys. Just keep an eye on it. All right. Okay, still looking pretty good so far. It's still above the moving average. Let's take a look at the RSI. We're still above there. Okay, so just monitor this accordingly. My God, guys, Canada is the worst place to live in at the moment. It's supposed to be yesterday was like 20 something. Okay, and then on I think tomorrow or Wednesday it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to snow. Unbelievable. Gold's trying, guys, because the oversold. Okay, oversold picking up. I'm still looking at for gold sell opportunity here. I'm not looking for much more. All right. Okay, so if gold breaks down again, okay, we're going to sell looking at the bottom here. And this might not happen right now, okay? This might be a later. later opportunity. Okay, we'll watch and see here. Okay, take a peek. The overall target, guys, I think they're going to push it back to the 9 moving average right here. Okay. Okay, so nice push here. We'll watch this one. So I'm just going to set an alarm right here. Okay. Gold is starting to push as a nice retracement here. Okay, as a nice retracement. We'll watch and see how it looks when it gets to the 9 EMA. Okay, if we start to break here, all right, you can see we're going to go back up and test that daily resistance here coming up. Okay. Okay, so here's your new candle. Okay, watch and see 4 minutes here, guys. Okay, so if we do start to break above this moving average here, okay, opportunity lies. Like I said, we'll watch and see if we're going to get a push. Okay, something like this. We look back, get up to the hourly. Okay, watch and see how this goes. Okay, about 3 minutes here to go check out US 30. Okay, so you can see they're holding it now down below the 9 moving average, right near the 5 minute. Nice little wick grab right there. Okay, pushing back down. If we start to break, guys, the indices have been bearish. Let me explain this to you. Okay, look at where we're at here on the hourly. Okay, you can see we are above the 9 moving average. Okay, but look at the indecision that we're having. This is what we're trading today on the hourly. You guys understand this? Okay, we're trading these wicks. The bottom at the 15 minute. Okay, and then the top right at the roughly 33,595 area. Okay, so if we don't hold above here, above the 9, okay, you can see all the previous wicks. Remember we talked about that strong resistance area. Okay, we're going to sink back down to probably the 15-minute support. And if we hold above here, you're going to start to see a walk to the 4-hour. Look at where we're at. We're showing oversold tendencies. Price is starting to slowly rise here. All right. Okay, so I'm going to, I can see they're holding this here. Again, 5 minute, okay. We'll watch and see how this is going to roll out. I'm just going to set an alarm right here, and one more right here. Let's go check out gold again. Okay, so heavy resistance. Okay, we just made big moves now. Current time under a minute is coming in here, guys. We're hovering around that 1900 mark. You can see 1900 right here. Okay, we might get some sideways trading, okay, before making our overall next move. All right. Okay, I don't like this right now. I'd rather check out US 30. Check out the DXY first. Okay, held support level there. Okay, you can see, remember we had that nice little support line on the 15. Didn't drop. Okay, now holding. Watch and see how it's going to next little bit's going to be. Sorry, there we go. Indecision, guys. This has been a full candle minute of just straight indecision right now. They're holding support below, okay, the 9 moving average, and then they're using this. It's like a short squeeze right now. Okay, it's like a short squeeze right now. CL, was that for all the trades that you were holding before? There we go, guys. Look at the US 30 still rocking here. Yep, it is. Theming it is. Okay, so about 3 minutes and 40 seconds here. Let's go take a peek now. Grab a US 30. Indecision right now, guys. 100%. Not much we can do about this. Okay, so there's the dirty. All right, let's watch here, guys. Let's watch the dirty 30 going on. I still see a nice little uptrend. Okay, clear, nice uptrend here. Gustav for CL, when he first joined us, he had a lot of positions opened up in gold, so that doesn't surprise me. He's probably still holding them for about 2 weeks. You can scroll back in the chat and check it out. Okay, so let's watch and see here. Jawad, my man. We don't show stop losses on YouTube because we let you figure that out for yourself. It's not my job to manage your account. Okay, for real. So if you're still here and you understand that, maybe it's your first time on here, but all stop losses are given in the FX group here. Okay, so in the Zoom chat. So that's what you're looking for, my man, and you're looking for someone to manage that for you. You can join up in that. If not, then just understand, if you like the trades taken, you work based on that, and if you don't, then you don't have to take them. That's the way it is. Okay, let's go check out Goldilocks here. Okay, gold heavy resistance here. Okay, guys, watch gold. Okay, there's gold. You want to break in a retest, guys, here. If it just dumps down, it's lucky day, okay? See how it's coming down? All right. First target you're going to get a hold up here, guys, is right here. Okay, so if you don't like this trade, you don't need to take it. All right, if you think it's not going to go through, no need. Okay, so there's gold. Just monitor gold here. We need to get a break below this level, obviously, to continue. Okay, break below the key level of the wick right here. So you're going to get some resistance. Okay, and then we're looking at maybe pushing back down. All right. I want to watch US 30. US 30 is more my cup of tea right now. Okay, members, you guys should be walking up. Okay, heavy resistance, guys. So you can see here, they're not letting it push. Okay, heavy resistance. You have two areas now. You're getting a lot of weak closes. Okay, a lot of weak closes. So it's been bouncing in and out right here, guys. You can see, give you opportunities to take some profit if you guys did enter on a buy. But then eventually you can see now they're starting to push it back down. All right. Today's a really choppy session, guys. Sometimes you're going to get them. All right, sometimes you're going to get these 100%. So let's just monitor this accordingly and see how she's rolling. Okay, so we're starting to get testing that resistance right here, looking good. Okay, guys, members, are you guys with me on US 30? What's going on here? This thing is pumping. There we go. Okay, looking for the target. 4 hours still is good. Okay, pushing. What's going on with gold here, guys? It's dumping again. Okay, so gold is tapping. Yeah. Okay, so there's an 1895 sell down to 1891. It could be about 35 pips. Guys, and I'm going to be real with you, but tell you something straight up. When you get donkeys coming in on here, and I mean donkeys who are trolls, okay, saying that there's no stop loss, guys, you got to manage your account yourself. I don't know what your risk is, so I could put in a trade that looks good, but if you're calculating your stop loss based on your account, okay, my trade could be way different than yours, and you don't know how to do anything, right? So I'm giving you guys opportunities here to show you if they make sense for you to take them. If not, join the FX group, and you can see we give stop losses in there. It's up to you, because I'm going to tell you straight up, guys. I tell the traders, and Ron does, Adam, whoever's with us, 1% max, guys. All right, 1% max. And that's something you guys got to learn. I've seen so many people. We had someone a few days ago had 8-9 positions open up on gold. They keep having to refill their account because margin call. That's not us, right? That's people making not the smartest decisions on risk management, right? So if you guys are wondering about the stop losses, okay, adjust accordingly to your account size. That's the way it is. Okay, and I'm telling you right now, use a frickin' stop loss. All right, US CAD, while ago. Okay, I've posted it on here. With stop losses hit, no problem. I have no problem taking that. All right, so just understand that, guys. Okay, so you can see now that gold selling off now, picking up some liquidity. All right, a little bit of divergence here on the 5. Okay, you can see prices dropping. Okay, then prices starting to rise. Okay, so it's still, let's go check out the US 30 here. Okay, it's still rising, guys. Okay, so one of two things can happen on US 30. We can break above this 4-hour resistance. Okay, look it to the left, guys. You want to stretch it out? All the way to the left. Heavy, heavy resistance. Okay, heavy resistance. But if we break above here, guys, this thing is going to pop off. Okay, it's going to come right here, and it's going to tap the 200 at least. I'm telling you right now. If we break above, if this thing gets rejected here, okay, it's going to sell back down. So it's at a critical level right now. Okay, so heavy, heavy resistance coming into potentially showing a double top here, but there's a lot of structure to break. Okay, there's a lot of structure to break. Okay, coming into a sell. Remember, we just broke through the 15-minute. All right, now if we're going to sell off here, we need to have breakage of previous structure. All right, Okay, so check out US 30 here, or gold, sorry. So you can see how gold rose, starting to rise now, okay? Christy, you can post it on your social media and we'll repost it for you, okay? That's how you can show your profits. It's just we don't really have a free group. We don't have a Discord or anything like that. We have a free Telegram at the top, but no one can post in it, all right? So you can see dumping off, retesting the overall area where we got the massive dump. New opportunity, okay, which is the new candle is opening. All right, they pushed it above. We're going to see if they're going to hold above this structure or if they're going to start to walk back down. Okay. Anyways, not a social media guy, but made 2.1K. Yeah, that's huge, man. Christy, congrats. That's huge. Yeah, there's US 30, guys. Hopefully you guys held. Gustav, you shouldn't have exited the trade on the first one. I was in that drawdown with you, bro. That key level, the 15-minute, it looked very promising because nothing broke and held below that 9 moving average. It all kept going up, okay? So now, guys, we got about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. You're coming into the new hourly candle, guys. Okay, coming into the new hourly candle. So let's watch and see how this is going to start to make a move. All right, let's take a peek quickly at gold here, see if we retraced or if we get a nice little push back down. So a little bit of indecision right now. Okay. Could we see gold retest the 1400 now? 1900? 1900 has already been tapped almost. Okay. Oh, you mean pushing up? Okay, I see what you're saying now. Okay, yeah, we might be able to. We just got to get above the 9. We'll watch and see. No, Josh, I closed. And guys, check the free FX group. I posted the US 30 buys and then the gold sells. Okay. Thiepin, yeah, the boot camp. We'll update you guys in the announcement section here. It won't be too long. All right. We actually did some stuff before we launched here. You guys will see that, and then we'll make an announcement of what we did. I think you guys will probably be pretty happy about this. Okay, it's a little bit better in my opinion than the boot camp. That's just me though, because I know what involved in it, right? Amir, we do have a free FX group. Just be careful of these scammers trying to be us. All right. Faison Ali, it's pinned. Maybe it's not pinned at the top here. Let me put that in there for you. One sec. Is anyone holding US 30? Well, there's the trade. Okay. And it's 9 o'clock coming in. All right. Look at the arrow follow through. All right, guys, I'm going to tell you something. Your stop loss, okay, because we're trading 5 minutes. I'll tell you where you should have placed your stop loss on this, okay? If you guys want to see, for me, all right, I would have gave this a little bit below down here, okay? A little bit below down there, because I'm looking for a bigger move, okay? A little bit below, all right, looking to push up, okay? A little bit below, looking to push up. If you really wanted to play it down, you could have played it safe, something like this, because like I said, we're looking for a break of the 200. I'm looking for a move above here. I'm looking to get it to daily. All right, just because it's not layered here, this is the general area that we're looking at getting to. So I'm looking for a longer term trade. Okay, we're starting off as scalping and then we're working to something like longer term. All right, so I'm looking for price to get up in this range up here. Okay, all right, so if you guys want to look for stop losses, I say 10-20 pips. Okay, or you go based on structure. It's whatever you guys want to do. Okay, but I'm looking for a longer term move here. All right. We don't send anything to the Telegram group. In terms of trades, we do send some trade setups and recaps and stuff like that, but it's not like we're sending free signals. Anyone have a Ferrari by playing trading? Uh, yeah. E-green, it's not. It's just the free one that we post some stuff in every now and then. We might do a free Discord group, get everyone transferred over. Okay, so current time is 9:01. All right. Guys, 154 likes. If you guys want Nasdaq market open, I think it's going to be pretty bumping. Bump it up to 300 likes, guys. Okay. The reason why we had about 100 likes, but then my stream, my internet went boom. Okay. It just stopped. Okay. So we dropped off a lot. So if you guys don't mind maybe reliking it, definitely appreciate it, guys. I apologize about the internet situation. There's nothing I could do. Literally, I was streaming and then poof, it was gone. So I appreciate that. Okay. Guys, I am going to take a 2-second break though. Okay, monitor US 30 here. All right. Won't be long. Just got to quickly let the dog out and then I'll be right back. So just monitor this. Watch, guys, are getting some resistance. Okay. All right, so just monitor this accordingly. Cool, guys. Awesome. So let the dog out. Let's get back to normal here. 9:04 here. Okay, so let's check out what we're doing. You can see that the 200 is heavily rejection of the price right now. Okay. So let's just watch and see how this is going to play out here. We're going to check out gold in 2 seconds too, and the DXY. I really want to see what's going on with the DXY. All right. Check out gold real quick. Okay, so not much push. Okay, you can see heavy resistance on gold still. So you guys, if you guys are still in that sell and you guys don't believe it's going to sell off some more, you can close your position. All right, it is, like I said, making a little bit of divergence on the 5-minute, but again, the price is still in a heavy downtrend. Okay, price is still in a heavy downtrend. All right, so we'll check out the DXY here. Okay, so still rising here, guys, still rising. Remember, we had that nice double bottom set, or sorry, double top set up. Okay, top here, looked like a promising neckline, but again, now you can see this might be the neckline right here. Okay, this might be the neckline, maybe performing a double. Who knows about the opportunity here, guys? Anything can happen, but something like that, maybe a double bottom, finding key support. You can see every time they're selling it off, you have an engulfing candlestick starting to push to the upside for the DXY. Guys, this is the US dollar index. Okay, so just be aware on the 5-minute. Okay. Also, guys, look at everything right here, all red. Okay, we're red. We're very bearish right now for a lot of instruments. Okay, you can see a lot of them are down. The DXY is up. Okay, so we got to watch this accordingly. All right. So you can see US 30 just as fast as it pumped up. Now it's getting rejection at that 200 EMA. Guys, and this is the exponential 200 moving average. Okay, this is the 9 EMA right here, 9 exponential moving average. Okay, so although we've tested it once, all right, the 200 again, I want to see maybe in the next, we got 25 minutes until market open. Are we going to retest this again, or is price going to start to drop off? Okay, and have its overall retracement pushing back down. All right. Okay, we'll check out gold too. One more time. Okay, guys, I'm just going to update this a little bit. Just it's choppy right now. Just want to create some. Okay, that's good. There we go. Okay, so monitor this accordingly. Let's go check out Nasdaq here, see how she's playing. Okay, Nasdaq's pretty much the same thing. Okay, Nasdaq is very similar to how US 30 is playing out. All right, you can see you have an engulfing candlestick at Nas. All right, so if you guys want Nasdaq, smash the likes to 300, then we'll start doing Nasdaq. We got enough time here. If not, guys, like I said, we'll just trade US 30, and I'll update the members in the Zoom call for Nasdaq. I really want to trade Nasdaq market open personally, but we'll watch and see. Okay. Okay, I just to let you know, guys, I'm pretty much done with gold. The only thing I see on gold is potential buy opportunity. Okay, right above this 1897 right here. Okay, that's like 1897.50. Okay, that's the only general area that I'm looking for right here. Not this thing's going to get rejected and start to sell off again. Just going to move that there. Okay, I'm going to remove the demand area just so we don't have all that green going through it. Let's watch and see. Just updating this for you guys so you can see right here. Okay, so here's time 9:10, guys. Okay, so remember we have 20 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange 9:30 candle opens, okay, which will be extremely volatile. So just remember that it's a volatile time, guys. Some people don't even trade, they like to chill out, just watch. Okay, so I'm going to start doing Nasdaq. If you guys want to pump it to 300, like I said, it's up to you. We'll set up the good opportunities here. Okay, so let's go down to the daily. Okay, we'll move the 9 and the 200 here. Okay, so if we do break here, guys, like this is a very critical support. You can see that all the way across here. Okay, price has not broken, and if you can see, we're March 14th low. Okay, price is starting to retest this again, and if not in previous structure, this is May 21. Okay, then you have March 30th, 2021. If we break here, guys, if it breaks here and sells, okay, this thing is going to come back down to March 25th low. Okay, which is this candle, the wick right there. Okay, so you always have to go back in previous structured time to see if we do break here, how this is gonna, where we're gonna get to. Because I don't want to have to be messing around and trying to catch this when we're doing it live. Okay, so I'm gonna do man's on text there. Okay, see nice level of support forming on the daily previous structure here. Okay, so let's get this marked up. Okay, I see some daily resistance now forming. Okay, we'll drop now down to the 4-hour. Okay, I see 4-hour candle closes. Okay, this is not the wick. All right. Okay, you can see that if we break above here, guys, on the daily, we can start to rise and maybe tap that almost 13,400. Okay, let's go down to the hourly now. See what it's looking like. So hourly support based on the wicks. Okay, move that up there. I see an hourly resistance to the left. Okay, this big long wick right here, which is also this previous daily candle. Sorry, previous hourly candle. Okay, so let's drop now down to the 30-minute. I'm going to move this bad boy over here, 4-hour. Lena Lolo Thomas Motau. Sorry if I mispronounce your name, dude. It says, do you realize that you're helping people on YouTube for live trading? I do, but there's some people who don't appreciate it. But again, they're the ones always watching the channel the most. But I do like to help out the people who definitely appreciate it, and which there is a lot. You should see the messages that we get pretty much daily, so it's worth it absolutely. Okay, I have a 30-minute resistance here. But I appreciate that, man, and I hope you're learning something. You know what I mean? It's remember, New York is one of the most volatile sessions. Okay, one of the most volatile sessions that you can trade. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you're looking to trade coming into the 9:30 area. Okay. Okay, I do see nice about 15-minute support forming down here on the candle close. So I'll gather that. Remember I told you guys about longer term US 30 trade here? Remember, if you guys remember the time though. Just remember the time, okay, before you are looking to do anything here. All right, so I see some nice resistance here, okay. So that's 5 minute. Cool, guys. So Nasdaq is done. All right, let's get ready to rock here. I'm just going to move that quickly down and get the candle closes. All right, I haven't checked what's going on with the RSI or anything like that, so I just want to gather some nice key levels if we do tend to break here. Okay, looks pretty good. I got one more down here too. Okay, one more here. And then we're good. Okay, so let's check with the RSI. Okay, above the 50 line. Okay, let's check with the coordinates. Okay, and then we're going to check about the 9, and we're going to see the 200 here. Okay, so we're right here. Very similar to US 30, guys. Let's check out US. So there's your dip down, and then you have your continuation. Okay. Okay, so we're going to leave this. We're going to check out 930. I'm just going to make a quick note here. Move that over. So there's 930, guys. That's the New York Stock Open. That's going to be the time that you're going to watch in terms of the most volatility coming in. Okay, it's probably the most volatile time since London, if not more volatile. All right, so let's go check out gold here. Okay, so nice continuation on gold here, closing above. All right. Okay, would have been a nice little beautiful uptrend here, starting to continue. If it breaks above here, guys, price can start to rise to 1905. They're going to push it back to the daily. All right. So if it does start to move, right, rip in here. Okay. You can look probably on the daily. Okay, but it's got to have a break, continuation. Let's see what we're at. Okay, you're going to get rejected or pushed through that 50 line. That's the key point right there. Okay. Okay, we'll watch this accordingly. I'm just going to tap that right there. I'm pushing maybe back up to the daily support and resistance. Make an alarm. Okay, pushing, guys. I'm up 7 pips on this already. Will we ever trade binary options? Not live, guys. I'm not willing to do that live. We might fool around with it with the group, but we won't be doing that stuff live. That stuff's like crazy. All right. Yo, Ebbs, what's the best way to learn top-down analysis? Practice it day in and day out. Consistently do it every single day. Okay? 305, guys. So we're ready to go. Guys, secure on gold here if you'd like to. Okay? If you didn't catch it, that's okay. You know, we're catching the tail end here. The best opportunity obviously would have been down here. Okay, so you're chasing a bit, but the target would be the overall general area right here. Okay, which was previous daily support. Now it's acting as possibly resistance here. You can tell from the large wick that's coming down. Okay. Agent, but I bet you were down on here. You probably got down here on the break of the 9. Okay, guys, so let's check it out here. 919. Okay, we got about 24 seconds here. Let's watch how this candle starts to move. Okay, in terms of the candle close and the next one open here. All right. I wish I could thank you enough, but don't know how. Just hit the like button, dude. That's enough. You don't need to thank anybody anymore. That's it. That's all you need to do. Hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, guys, so you can see the resistance, the new candle open. You can see the push back down, okay? Opened up bullish, flickered, and then it turned into a little bit of a bearish candlestick. All right. Okay, so we got about 4 minutes here on the new candle. You can see it starting to pump up. Okay, so quick pips on this one. You would have had to take it. They're retesting now, okay, at the 1901. All right, so watch and see this. Okay, nice little push. All right, we're going to see if we're going to retest this area. Sorry, guys, I always move my stupid mouse because this chart always pops up. Okay, so 1901. Okay, if you're going to retest this level right here, you can see its previous resistance. So watch and see, all right, how this is going to make a move based on this structure. Okay, guys, so it's 921. One second. I was actually going to switch off gold anyways. That was the last pretty much move on gold before I'm looking to do anything else. So I'm going to switch from now, check out US 30 and Nasdaq here. Okay, you can see that US 30 is still pumping up a bit. All right. Guys, what do you want to trade market open? Okay, what do you want to trade market open? Nasdaq or US 30? Gold is done right now. Gold is retired. We are retiring from gold. Let's see, guys. I want to see at least 100 comments, then we'll make a decision. 30, eh? You guys like that? Pumping. Okay. I can see that there's a lot of resistance. Okay, there's a lot of resistance, guys, here for Nasdaq. I can see an engulfing candlestick. Okay. Guys, we're gonna trade Nasdaq. Okay, I literally like saw a Nasdaq pop up more. All right. So we're gonna do US 32. All right, but we're just gonna focus on Nasdaq for the first play. Okay, and what I mean by that is just the market open. Okay, just the market open. All right, then we're gonna flip back. See how it goes. Okay, and the reason why I'm saying this is because Nasdaq is cleaner, guys. You guys understand what I'm telling you guys? Like, it's hard for me because when this gets updated, look at all the stuff we have going on here right now. Okay, I like a little bit more of a clean chart. All right, but again, nothing gets clean when you're scalping. So I also don't like where we're at in the 200 for both indices. Okay, we still got about 7 minutes left here. All right, I want to see both of these guys on the hourly. Okay, remember at the beginning right here, do you remember this candlestick? Go back in the stream. This was it was a spinning top candle. It was a bearish spin top. Okay, and they were just long wicks. Okay, wick and wick below, but they were holding above the 9. Okay, and then you can see the new candle opened up and then it started to push bullish. All right, so you can see there's a lot of momentum, a lot of strong momentum pushing here. We are above the 9. Okay, this is US 30, guys, by the way. This is US 30. So you can see the resistance now is forming at the previous structure right here. Okay, so that's where they're coming in at the 200. Okay, you can see the resistance on the hourly. Let's take a look at the 15-2. Okay, guys, what kind of candle is this on the 15-minute right here? What kind of candle is this right here on the 15-minute? You got to know, you got to watch, do some top downs. Okay, make sure you understand. It's not a harami, definitely not a harami. Okay, guys, got to watch your candlesticks based on these ones. All right. It's not a pin bar. Okay, but if you guys start to recognize what those are, you can start to see. Carlos, you're getting close for sure. Is it a moose knuckle? I don't know about that one. Okay, guys. Guys, you got to look it up, okay? I'm seeing hammer, all right? I'm seeing shooting star, and I'm seeing hanging man, okay? Hammer, evening star, shooting star, hanging man. I'm seeing a lot of that, okay? You guys got to look it up. Jason. All right. Okay, guys. So you can see, do not, if you're new, don't trade the 930 candle. I do this every single call, guys, okay? Risk no more than 1%. It's Monday, okay? Use a trailing stop loss, and take profit when applicable, all right? Wait 10 to 15 minutes before looking to trade if you're new, okay? This is volatile times right now. I'm going to tell you straight up. Into Monday, you can see where they're pushing it, okay? Look at where they're pushing it. I'm noticing a bearish engulfing candlestick right here, okay? Getting rejected at the 200, all right? This is on the 5-minute though. Okay, we got to check with the 15-minute. See what we're looking at here. Nice 3-bar play, an engulfing candlestick here. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Now getting the resistance at the previous structure. You can see if we drag this all the way across here from the hourly. Look at the hourly resistance to the left too. Key resistance. Okay. So just watch accordingly here. If they do break above the 200, okay, you're going to see a skyrocket down eventually, probably to the daily. All right. If not, you're just going to start to see this thing start to sell off below the 15-minute support. Okay. Peak. It's going to pump fake, going to the moon. I got guys. What do you guys think? Let's take some. I want to hear your opinions. Do you guys think Nasdaq is going to go bullish or bearish? Let me know. Everyone says it, guys. Push or pull. Oof, I got a lot of people saying bullish and bearish here, guys. 2 minutes here. Remember, look at this trend we have. Okay, trend is right here. Let's watch and see. Okay. I wouldn't hedge. Yeah, just a suggestion. I would not hedge. Okay. About a minute and 25 here, guys. We need drum rolls here. We need to have this whole YouTube thing on audio. If we did, guys, this thing would be like a rave party. It would be like a rave party. I can. We'll get knocked for having the music. It looks like one. 10 May. It looks like one. I recorded this session, Johnny. I recorded this one. I want to start to clip some of the New York stuff out for some stuff that we're happening that we're planning on doing. So, okay, guys, I got about a minute left here. You can see the 30 seconds. All right. It's indecision right now, guys. Let the first candle start to open up. Okay, here it is, guys, then open. Let's watch and see what kind of movement we get. So right now we're getting some heavy rejection so far. All right. Okay, got 4 minutes here. So remember, sit tight on this one. If you don't feel comfortable trading it, guys, just sit out. Goldilocks is selling. Yeah, gold is breaking down here, guys. Just watching here. Okay, so this is the hourly resistance is acting as the 200. You can see it right here, guys. Okay. I'm not in any gold, guys, so I don't know bull and bears. I'm not looking at gold at all right now. Okay, I have no idea what's going on. I just saw it was in a downtrend. Okay, so you can see there's US 30. Let's go take a peek at what US 30 is doing. Huge dump on US 30, guys. Look at this sell. Okay, massive rejection. All right, let's go take a look at Nasdaq, see if we can get on Nas. Okay, it looks like a lot of resistance coming at this 200 right now, guys. A lot of resistance. Okay, so let's just monitor this accordingly. Still holding that little uptrend. Okay, Nasdaq and US 30 are not correlated whatsoever. All right. We need to get a push past here, guys. This is the key resistance, because if not, this thing could dump off just like US 30 did. Okay. Okay, did not just rejected here. Okay. Okay, so we'll take a peek on US 30 for 1 second here. Massive sell. Okay, now picking up some liquidity right here. All right, so we're picking up some buying power. Focus on nasty. Indecision on both fronts, guys. So we'll wait for this candlestick. Okay, wait for this candle to start to move. Okay, as I'm more biased towards the selling opportunity right now. Okay, I want to start to see if this thing can start to drop off here. All right, starts to drop. Maybe get down to near the 4 hour. There we go. Let's watch and see. Okay, so wait for the first. Okay, closing below. Watch if it breaks that 15-minute support. Did you guys see that quick flash? Okay, nothing broke below there. Original members, you guys are looking good on the buys. Okay. Pumping up, breaking that 200. Nice break, guys. Continuation. Liquidity grab, now pumping up. And she's rocking now. Massive W's. Good, guys. Good, good. Hopefully you guys grab that buy. Okay, so quick buys, guys. Quick buys. Let's watch and see now. That's what I told you. If it's too fast, just sit out, wait for the first couple candles to open up. It says it right here. It's not like I typed this for nothing, guys. So I told the guys though in the group, okay, if it starts to break down and sell below here, nothing did. Okay, then we'll look for a sell. And then my other opportunity, I told them both areas. If it breaks above the 200 with more volume, and you can see it started to push to the upside here. Okay. John, I said preferred sells on that candle, okay, because it was looking like it was getting some rejection. But if you were in the Zoom group, you said the buy is above the 200. All right. Okay, so let's go take a look at US 30 here. Okay, so the rejection, grabbing some liquidity, now they're pushing it back up. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq is still pumping, guys. There you go. Okay, so let's watch and see how this is going to roll. Okay, members, for your stop loss, have it down here, okay, on the hourly support. Okay, if you guys are still in that trade, have it at the hourly. Remember the goal, the target was the daily, all right? Okay, so remember, hourly support, which is roughly at, could be different from yours, 13150. Okay, so take your pips, guys. Okay, take your pips on this. Move your stop loss to break even if you guys are in this trade. Getting some resistance now here. Okay, you can see the rejection is coming from the left. Okay, you can see the daily resistance here. So let's watch now and see if we're going to get a continuation push. All right. Okay. So guys, don't worry if you didn't get on this. It's fine. Like I said, this is still, look at the time. 9:30, you have 9:35, 10-15 minutes. Okay, so it's not even 9:40 yet. All right. Yeah, we can take a look at US 30 for sure. Okay, so here's your wick on US 30. Okay, getting some resistance here. You can see the overall push. Okay, so monitor this accordingly, guys. I'm looking at Nasdaq. I don't want to focus too much on US 30. Let's watch Nas now. Okay, you're gonna watch this. Okay, so now the resistance comes in this general area right here. It's very obvious. Okay, this is a heavy supply zone near the hourly and the 200 moving average. All right. Okay, 4 minutes here. So watch, see now coming into 9:40. Now is the time, guys. It's been about 10 minutes. All right, let's watch and see how this is going to roll. Jason, you hit your 50 pip goal. Wow, that's huge. Okay, so let's go take a peek at. Remember, guys, watching the Zoom chat, please. Okay, let's take a peek at US 30 one more time. Okay, they're starting to fill these wicks. Yusuf, yes, I will. Absolutely. I'm not looking. That's the one that I just sent you. It's got to break that key level that I was telling you about and the moving average. All right. It's got to break those two. Okay. So don't just enter in. All right. So let's watch and see. Okay. So back on nasty. It's in this state that we're in where the market is, guys, in terms of technicals. Okay. Anywhere we're around these 200s and 9 when they're coming together, you're going to get choppy action. Okay. If you watch the streams before, this is how it's been. All right. There's not much you can do about it other than take a seat, take a step back and watch. All right. If you don't feel comfortable right now trading any of this stuff, you don't need to. All right. You don't need to. There's no one telling you need to press buy or sell because the market is just there. The market will be there in 5 hours. Okay. This is why I'm saying if you guys are just waiting right now, just wait. Okay. It's totally up to you. Chasing trades is going to lead you into a bad trade thinking you need to trade at this time. Okay, you don't need to trade at any time. Okay, see how they're holding that overall uptrend here, starting to move. I'm not doing anything until I see better of a clear path, guys, here. I'm not liking the way this is. Okay? I'm not liking the way this is. I'm just sitting this one out as of right now. You guys know my levels. Okay? Alright, so let's just watch and see how this is going to make a move. Harry, yep, I am. Remember I told you the hourly down to the 15? It's dropping now down to the 4 hour. Okay? We got to be quick on this one. Alright? There it is. You guys should be running in massive sells right now. Okay, we've made this mistake before, guys. I'm telling you right now. Okay, we made this mistake before. I said, guys, if it breaks the hourly support, she's coming back down to at least the 15-minute 4-hourly. So that was your TP1. This is your TP2. Okay, that was the head fake. The overall trend is bearish, guys. Okay, I didn't like anything in terms of the buys, guys. If you want to know where your stop loss is, have it at the 200 moving average. Okay, I'm looking at this thing to drop down to here. Okay, have your stop loss at the 200, wherever the supply zone is. If you guys want to take your profit right now, go ahead. Okay. You couldn't resist, Jason. You got it. Secure, guys, though. Secure. Remember, if you guys can't see these targets or these numbers, my numbers might be different than yours. Okay, my numbers might be different than yours. All right, this is the overall target right here. Scott, you flipped a new account? Nice, brother. Nice. Up 53%. Beautiful, man. What were most of your trades on? Gold or US 30? What were they mostly on? German 40 this morning. Nice, nice. Okay, still continuing. So guys, 947 here. This is all we got today. It's all we got. All right. I do believe that price is still going to drop down a little further. We got to watch and see on this 2-minute candle how it's going to close. Okay. I do believe she can probably get back down to maybe the 4-hour, break it. We'll watch and see here. Okay, so grab your pips, guys. You can see they're starting to pitch a little bit of support on there. Okay, got a minute and 30. I'm going to stay till about 10 o'clock today, guys. Okay, got about a minute. Check out gold here. Haven't really looked at gold too much. Take a peek on gold, and we'll look at US 30 as well. Okay, so US 30 is challenging the lows. Okay, US 30 is challenging the lows. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, gold is starting to reject as well. Okay. Okay, haven't really focused too much on gold here. You can see a lot of resistance. Okay, keeping pushing price back down. All right. So we'll take a look on Nasdaq. Started to push back up. Okay. Let's watch and see how this is going to go. Okay, so new candle flipped very fast. Now you're going into potential opportunities for buys. So high risk, guys. Watch and see how the next candle opens up. They're pushing it right above that 5 trend right there. Okay, you can see the 5-minute trend. All right. heavy resistance. And general area right around here is going to be the, I guess you could say, the influx of buyers and sellers waiting for the market to pop off. Okay. Okay, about 9:50, guys. Got about 10 more minutes. They're starting to fill that wick. Really indecision right now, guys. Really indecision. Okay. Okay, about 9 minutes. Let's take a peek on US 30 as well here. Nasdaq a little bit choppy. I did, yeah, it's the feeler. Remember I told you high risk feelers? Okay, so let's take a US 30. Heavy chop, guys. So that's what I'm saying. If you guys are not feeling this one right now, 9:51, look at this chop session. Pushing, pulling, pushing, pulling. Kind of just doing whatever it wants. There's no real clear trend here, okay? No real clear trend, all right? Back on Nasdaq, a little bit of a push. Okay, so remember I told you guys, anywhere around these moving averages right here, you're getting your overall confusionness and indecisive state right now. Of course it is. It's right in here. The consolidation zone is right here, guys. Absolutely. Good point. You can see they're pushing it right back in there, waiting for the next move. And you can see the moving averages are right in here as well. Okay. So if we look at on this, the hourly, okay, you can see they're just closing it above now, the moving average. Okay. Now they're starting to flip back, potentially looking bullish here to maybe fill this top wick. Okay. I'm noticing something right here. You can see wick is making higher. This wick is low, higher wick, higher wick. Okay. So let it do its thing here. All right. We'll watch and see at 10 o'clock. Okay, so I wouldn't suggest being in anything right now, guys. Like nothing. All right, just watch and see how this is going to play out. Okay, it's up and down here. This is where you want to stay away from. Okay, to a T. All right. Why am I focused only on Nasdaq? Because of US 30. I don't like the way these wicks are starting to form right here. Nasdaq has a little bit better of structure. All right. Okay, so 40 seconds coming into the next 5-minute candle, which is going to be 9:55, guys. All right. So leave this. Okay, just tighten this up a bit. Today is choppy, guys. I won't lie to you. This is where I would normally call it. I'm just going to stay until 10 and see how it starts to work out. It's very indecisive right now. Okay, very indecisive. All right. You can see they're holding it back down below the 200, trying to break the 9 now. Okay. Last 5 minutes of the hourly time frame. Just watch and see how this thing's going to play out. Okay, so I'm just going to move this over here. This was, so we're not getting confused. All right, this was that wick that came back down bearish. Okay, they picked it back up. Now we're in that consolidative area right here. All right, let me just move this right here so you guys can see it. So maybe it's a little bit more obvious for you. Okay, key consolidation. Okay, let's go take a peek at gold real quick. Might be a W pattern thanks to Didia. Let's check that out. Yeah, don't chase. That's exactly what I'm saying. Just wait, guys. Just wait. We'll catch a move eventually here. Got the initial opportunities for impulse candles. That was nice, but again, if not, you can see sometimes the market are just like this. There's not much you can do about it. Sadly, that's the only thing. So you can see nice support forming here. Okay. Okay, both are indecision right now. Nas buy and sell here, indecisive right around the 200. Let's take a peek at US 30. Same thing coming in. It's dumping off now. Okay, we're going to see if maybe Nasdaq is going to start to follow this. Okay, just left this alone. All right, you can see that they're trying to push it up, but they're still holding that nice sell structure. Okay, let's take a peek one more time on gold. Okay, I do see a little bit of a hold right here. Okay, a little bit of demand. Nice structure. So if we break here, guys, like I said, we can start to come back down, fill that 1981, but if we hold, we can start to walk back up, maybe be performing, like I said, holding on that structure or pushing up, holding structure, and we're going to see if we're going to push up. Okay, if not, it's going to start to break and start to sell back down. So this is some hard stuff to trade right now, especially like gold. I don't really touch gold until like, you know, a little bit later on, but you know, Nasdaq and US 30 were just horrible today. Look at this. It's indecisiveness right in that consolidation. Okay. And same with US 30, guys. US 30 is still selling off. All right. So let's go take a peek. Okay. Just move that over here so you can see it just coming in. Let's see if we're going to get some dumpskis, guys, or if this thing's going to reverse and start to pump up. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq finally showing some signs. Let's see. 30 seconds here, guys. Okay, if you don't feel comfortable, just sit out, watch until the 10 o'clock candle here, all right? Okay, new hourly candle opening up here, guys. You can see they're finding nice support. Okay, it's a battle right now. Buy and selling. Okay, it's a battle. Okay, you can see they're starting to pick it back up. got that nice little sell candle here. All right, let's watch and see now what we're going to get in terms of a push movement. All right, guys, so watch accordingly. Okay, 4-hour support is still holding pretty strong. Okay, about 30 seconds here, guys. We're going to stay for about 10:05. Okay, then we're going to drop it. Probably going to bounce. Okay, it's been too choppy for the way that things have been going today. All right, too choppy. Things look pretty good in terms of opportunities for sells here if we can still get the follow through. All right, let's watch and see how this is going to go. Okay, let's go here, guys. Let's see if we get this sell here. See if we get the continuation. Okay, it's looking promising, guys. As long as we get to that 4-hour support, that's TP. Let's see if we can get out of here. The gold drop, let's check it out. Yeah, gold is starting to sell off, guys. Okay, breaking back down. All right, coming back to key structure of 1891. Okay, 1891 looking like key structure here. So let's just watch. It's a really choppy session, guys. Not much you can do today, right? You can watch and see here if we're going to hold below. Okay, I don't want to stay for a bit longer. Like I said, so about 10:05. DPI, you guys got the fit. You guys got in that sell. Hopefully you did. Watch and see how this is going to go. Secure when you can, guys. They're not letting it drop past this 4-hour just yet. We'll watch and see how they go. Okay. Not much you can do about this, but we'll just wait and see. I like how they're holding that long wick at the 9. Okay. Okay, 35 seconds, guys, for the new 5-minute candle open up. Okay, we're going to call it out around this time right here. All right, we're going to see what's going to happen based on the new candle open. All right. Gustav, you got your 1%? Nice. Perfect, guys. Okay, so new candles opening up in about 10 seconds here. You can see they're finding nice support, not letting it drop just yet. Okay, so it's not really following suit with US 30 or anything like that. It's kind of doing its own move. Okay, new, here we go. Okay, they're pushing it above. You can see in previous structure, they held it right here as well. Okay, now they're starting to walk up. Okay, finding some nice support. Getting some still rejection at that 9 moving average. Let's watch and see how this is going to play though. Slowly walking back down, guys. Slow. There we go. Let's see if we can get this. Okay, guys, so I'm going to just quickly wrap this up here. I'm going to watch this and we'll come back on it. Guys, this was a really choppy... There we go. Come on, let's see if we can get it. Coming right back down. Watch and see here. Just going to set an alarm right here. Set an alarm. Cool, guys. Awesome. So, guys, if you want, like I said, this is stocksnipertrading.com. Okay, this is our site that we have. All right. If you guys want to get in touch with us, okay, I just showed you right there. You can send us an email, you know, do something like that. Any questions you do have, okay, guys, this is the place. We'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. All right. You want to join all our social media networks here. Be careful of the scam account on our Instagram. It's stocksnipertrading.com/under, something like that. It's just a scam. Report it, please. And then just if you could do that, that'd be great. All right. Guys, recommended broker here is HankoTrade. Like I said, if you want to see what we do, become a sniper. Obviously, this is just a video outlining what we do. Okay, this is our session times, guys. Okay, London, okay, 5 times a week. You do New York, 1 right now, obviously, that we're here on Monday. We do private Zooms and also YouTube Live. Okay, then we do 3 educational webinars. All right. At the bottom for Tokyo session, we were doing Asian session Tokyo, but it was too choppy, guys. It wasn't worth it, and the spreads are too high. It's just not the best trading. Okay. Guys, if you want to see what we do, mentorship, sniper trade ideas, education, and then live trading environment. All right. This is the programs that we have here. Okay, if you want to join the membership and the the 3612, guys, both these will be included in our boot camp. Members, we're doing a nice little update for you that we'll announce in the Discord very shortly. Okay, but we do have a 52-week course when we're adding some more things onto that. We do private sessions, like I just told you. Okay, weekly webinars. All right, so we do back testing. We do a weekly webinar. So some examples would be how to do a top-down, psychology of trading, exits, entries, different things like that. And then we do a live Q&A where members can ask questions and stuff like that and go from there. Okay. And then obviously access to the overall Discord itself. Okay. And same thing with the 3612. Both these guys you're included with the in the boot camp as well, which we'll now update and announce to you very shortly. Okay. So guys, you can see generally this is rolling here. We just stopped this because we're doing some short-term updates. Tokyo session is usually at night. Okay. London, these are our countdown times to the live sessions. Okay. All right, so make sure to check that out. You guys can also see that if you guys are not native language speaking as English, okay, we have over 100 different languages that you can check out. Okay. Sniper Education, guys, I'm not logged in right now, but you can see right there. If you want to see an economic calendar, earnings report, live sessions, different things like that, you can check it out. Okay. So that's it, guys. I don't want to spend too much time on this. All right. It's pretty much good to go. Our Instagram here, guys, is this is our IG. Okay, I haven't updated yet. We're like 5,400. Stock Sniper Trading. Don't fall for anything else. Just this. All right. So, hope everyone had a good day, guys. Today there's no news. Okay. All right. There's no news tomorrow, guys. We have some more coming in. We have 8:30 U.S. folder news, which is going to be pretty good. All right. Then we have 10 a.m. too. So we'll hit both these up, and then we'll be good to go. All right. So today was a tough day, guys. Very, very tough. But again, you know what I mean? That's why I said just sit and wait. Be patient. If nothing comes to you, then just wait and trade a later time. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and we'll be in touch. All right. Later, guys.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.